Welcome to the project demonstration of visitor counter based home automation system. So the main purpose of this project is whenever the person count is above 0, means the person presence is there inside a room, then we are going to switch on the lights, and whenever there is no person inside the room, then automatically the bulb will be isolated from the main power source, it will be off, so that we can save the power. And here the main input sensors are two IR sensors to check the person's count, like whenever in and out. So this is the in direction and this one is the out direction. Whenever the person is enters, then the IR sensor 1 will get input and next IR 2. Then the microcontroller will count as increments, and then if it is above 0, then the bulb will be on with the help of this electromagnetic relay. And next, whenever the person is went out, so then the person, sensor 2 will get first input and then sensor 1 will get second input. Then it will count as decrement the count, the person is exit. So whenever the person count is equal to 0, then the relay will be switched off and the bulb will be off. And here the main input modules like regular power supply section and PIC microcontroller motherboard and electromagnetic relay to control the bulb, and LCD display continuously display the number of persons inside the room, means in count and out count. So the regulated power supply section will provide us the 5 volts output constant regulated power supply by taking 230 volts input. And coming to this motherboard, so this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and here red light is power LED status and green light is program LED status. So whenever we switch on the kits, so the green light on and off 2 times. After that only it will start counting in and out. And next there will be one steel plated one, so this is the crystal oscillator, so which will provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. So the main purpose of this clock pulse is, so we need to execute the instructions. The instruction nothing but reading input modules and controlling output modules. So these instructions will be executed whenever it will get the clock pulse. One clock pulse, so one instruction. So like we are providing 20 megahertz clock frequency, nothing but 20 mega pulses per second, so that it will execute 20 mega instructions per second. So let us see the demonstration. So as we can see, the 2 lights indicated as IR modules on, and whenever the obstacle is detected, then another LED will be on. So let us see now. So as we can see, there is a welcome message on the LCD screen, and after on and off 2 times this light. Right. So after green lights on and off 2 times, then only provide the input to this system. So in count 1 and out count 0. In count 2. So now again person is exiting. So whenever the count is 0, no person inside the room, so then automatically the bulb will be off, again on. Right.